So, let's go. Provider, artist, man.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
You know the vibes.
This is your girl Maria.
And provider. Both to say island boy, guy. Still doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Same thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're just having an entree here.
Yeah.
We are at the Gold Coast because we are going to
Melbourne for my first big performance in Geelong. Yeah, man. So tomorrow it will be the day. Yeah, and when I talk about Island.
Oh, we miss him.
He's not in the picture today, but
For the whole weekend.
yeah, literally he's staying with grandma and uncle. Yeah.
So guess what that means, guys?
Yeah, to
Yeah.
ourselves, you know?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
It's kind of like what you call it, a happy, kind of sad moment because
It's our
everywhere we
first
go,
time without Island. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, well, we'll stay in contact with him, and I mean he's safe, you know, he's with grandma and thing. So yeah, we're gonna have a couples weekend away. Even, you know, we still include, you know what I mean, fun moments, because it's not just about going to the festival, but we have the weekend to ourselves basically.
So that means playing a double.
You know what I mean? Exactly. Yeah, man.
P-rated, let's keep it PG.
Yeah, man. So they just have something to snack on, you see me?
We're gonna have fish now for dinner.
Yeah, fish.
Because our flight's not until 8 o'clock tonight.
Yeah,
so
that's the bad part about it, is that we ain't catching a flight anytime soon. It's late tonight, we're reaching Melbourne.
yeah.
Yeah, so to all the Melbourne fans and all that, you see me? Yeah, we are forward.
We're coming out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Cool, guys. I'm just having a cider, pear cider, and Babe's having his ginger beer,
Ginger beer.
non-alcoholic.
Yeah, man.
So cheers, guys, to the weekend.
Yeah, man.
Let's do
We'll
it.
catch you guys when we, you know, leave here and thing. And definitely, guys, we'll get to see the performance tomorrow, so stick around for that.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Okay, let's go now. Guys, look at the lovely food. A little bit small for me and Babe. True.
Yeah, I love the presentation.
The presentation's good though. Looks great. Alright, guys.
I love salmon though.
Yeah.
I mean, I never tried salmon when we did there at Jamaica. So coming here, the first never tried salmon, and it's actually worth it. Yeah, salmon
It's really
fish is
nice. Yeah. Alright, let's shell it down, huh?
Yeah. So we'll try the fish, you know. But I'm not too good for knife on for the yard, man. Almost spilled.
No salt.
It's a bit fresh. Good thing I have the salt there, but it tastes good though.
Okay, that's good. So that's that, guys. We finished it.
Crime scene. Yeah.
Crime scene. Now, guys, I saw these little ring things here on the plates, on all the sides of the plates. And I said to Babe, what do you reckon that is for? And he said, I think it's for decoration.
That's what I said.
You think it's, yeah, that's what you said,
Yeah,
for decoration.
yeah.
But I think they're for people that have that are blind.
I don't know, but
Let us know what you think, guys. I think for some reason, maybe when a blind person sits down, they can determine that's a plate and their food's on there. Well, we'll see what the comments say. Welcome back, Island family. We are. You think that would be happy right now?
yeah,
going
we started
"Yay!"
off excited and everything.
And all of a sudden, we've been caught up with the flight being delayed, and now it's like, what's the time, babe?
Time right now, let me check. The time right now is 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in the morning. And in the night time. I'm tired, guys. Like, we've been here for hours.
We had to go back to the car and rest,
chill there for a bit, and then babe had a good little sleep.
Yeah.
But it's just been crazy. Like, honestly, I don't know. Like,
it's pure delay. Pure delay in the flight.
Everything here is closed. Like, literally earlier on today, this was packed. I'm going to show you.
Look at all the chairs.
whole thing was packed, and now the whole chair is pretty much empty. The airport's like empty as.
We have what, the last flight?
Basically, we're on the last flight, guys. We are the last flight
of the night.
And they said if they cancel, they have to give us some sort of accommodation and some reimbursement or something. So so hopefully babe can get to his performance tomorrow.
Yeah, good thing.
If that's the case. I've had to cancel our rental and all of that.
Everything kind of just happened at the wrong time, you know, with the rental and everything. Well, if we pick up the rental and, you know, Airbnb and, you know, everything just kind of happened. With the delay, it just messed up everything. Yeah.
So we're going to go to the gate now, guys. So come with us. Let's go. Ready? We're going to walk through and we're going to go to the gate, and hopefully the plane will be here for us. Come on, babe. I'm so tired. And I've got a bit of a rash on my face right now. I had my eyebrows waxed earlier on, and the redness still hasn't gone down. If you can see, like in the middle here, it's pretty bad. So yeah, plus I'm tired. So anyways, happy days to us. Well, at least we can say tomorrow we can have a really good time. When we get there, if we get there.
Just want to have a good rest, you know what I mean?
Let's go.
Yeah. So
let's hopefully these people must be waiting, everybody here must be waiting for their flight. Oh no, this is a different one. So guys, it's saying boarding, so let's go. Let's go. Provider, artist, man. Alright.
Be seated before landing. Once again, thanks very much for your hard work today. It's much appreciated.
It's 1:42 in the morning. Sleepyhead babes. Yeah. What a journey. Right on my face. Oh, guys. Tell them what happened.
Oh boy, we never prepared for this. No, seriously, we never prepared for Melbourne, Geelong. Honestly, guys, we come off of the plane and I tell us that the place cold like ice. We come at the Airbnb after we are driving a Uber all long for over an hour, and we warm and everything. Come out of the Uber, G's and P's. We couldn't wait for coming in the, what you call it? You see me? And now we inside, guys. We have to wrap up on the sheet. And I tell babes, so don't let the air outside, because literally little air come underneath and the whole under the blanket cold. And so me right now cold like a ice.
It's cold. It's really cold, guys. Like, we come from 35-degree heat. Babe.
Focus. Hold on.
We come from, like, guys, we come from 35-degree heat.
Wait, son, turn up to a cold place right now.
Jeez, my lips are chapped, look.
Yo, me say the flight was horrible. Me say me couldn't even sleep good. Me say My head can't even lean back properly. My neck a kill me. You see me right now? What time I know when I'm on? Yeah?
3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, literally 3:33 if you can see. Well, it's bright.
Yeah.
But yeah, 3:33. So at them time I reach.
Crazy, guys. Like, the weather here is cold.
Yo, we have to go buy a jumper,
Yeah.
a jacket.
Jacket tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely.
Far
cold,
out.
man.
I'm going to have to buy some cheapy shoes or something because I only got like slippers and I bought summer dresses and everything,
me I
thinking that
feel-
it was going to be freaking hot.
I feel like one day the sun will come out a little more. Or what? Cause boy, I feel like I don't want to come out of the bed, you know. I don't want to come back out of the bed, yeah. What after that? Bedtime. Are you make noise?
No. Did you make that? Did you hear that?
Shit. What kind of ghost apartment is this, babe?
I don't know. It's weird. But guys, when we walked in, we'll show you tomorrow. It's like literally like it's arts everywhere. There's arts everywhere. There's doors. Like we didn't even know which door to walk into.
Exactly.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was like, what the freak?
Yeah.
It's so weird. But anyways, we'll show you all tomorrow. It's
Yeah.
still very pretty. Like, look at the beautiful little elephant.
Yeah.
And on my side, there's a turtle.
Turtle.
So,
Yeah,
it's nice and cozy.
definitely.
But it's cold.
Cool.
It feels like, it kind of feels like when I got off at, on the plane with Ireland in New York. In New York, it was snowing.
Mm.
The first, like the second, when I came to see you with Ireland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
That's
crazy.
that's how cold it felt.
Yeah.
It's probably snowy somewhere around.
Yeah, because the Indian guy said it's snowing up in the mountains as well.
Didn't he say the Blue Mountains?
I'm not sure what he said. Some mountain.
What kind of mountains do they have here in Melbourne?
I have no idea.
Do you guys have mountains in Melbourne for all the Melbourne suburban people or suburb people? I don't know. Anyway, big up to the Uber driver. He
Yeah.
drove all the way, an
Yeah.
hour and 15 minutes.
We had a chat with him the whole time.
Yeah, we didn't put him on camera, but if he's going to be watching this.
Yeah.
So big up yourself, Mister. We didn't get his name.
Ah, shit. I don't remember his name.
Well, he can tell us in the comment section.
Yeah. You know yourself.
You know yourself, Uber driver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe, seriously, oh?
That's gonna warm up the blanket.
Babe, that's
a
not
heater.
nice, man.
Babe, that's a heater. You know
Babe.
what? That's your fault for giving me baked beans this morning.
What?
Well, yesterday morning. We miss Bobo. I miss Ireland because you can just like, Ireland. With you.
Mm.
What this here? What this here?
Babe, stop.
Anyways, guys, it's a wrap.
Yeah, good night or good morning, wherever, what time you are in the world. Yeah.
We're going to bed. Tomorrow we gotta get up and
Yeah. Performance little more for now, boy, may I tell you. Ah. Now here's the park, I gonna be packed with people. So,
I can't wait to see
yo.
Babe on stage again.
Yeah, man. But that'll be a separate video still, you know, so.
Yeah. Catch you tomorrow
tuned.
for our shopping ventures on getting warm clothes for
Yeah,
Melbourne. It's freezing here.
Yeah, tell you.
My feet are frozen, babe. Look.
Trust me. It's not nice.
See you
Stop.
guys.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Peace out for now.
Little more.
Yeah.